The old souped up power wheel. It's jacked up. I burned out the gears. All jacked up on it. They burned. He burned them out. So I gotta pull the gear. Let's see what the gears look like. If you're ever doing power wheels like this, get a long Phillips. It's the best because you'll access all these little parts. See, fits in there, and you don't have to worry about. So I'll pull the back end, the gear guards, pulled the tire. Now I need to pull this out, push it out, but I'm going to find out what the gear ratio is. Tell you that this isn't hot to the touch, but this one, the main motor, that's hot. And it's been about 15 minutes since it was burned out. A bit of a close up so you can kind of see how these gears right here. Test this out, see how this is looking. Everything's wired back. Well, I think this motor is about to blow, so I'm just gonna use this to push in. See what happens. Not bad. Right, so it looks like I went ahead and disconnected. That battery's fine because I got a breaker up here, which is right here, which I can just pop it. Makes it easier if it pops. I don't have to replace it. If somehow it pops, I can just reconnect it. Other than that, this is going to be sitting here for a minute. Yeah. New gears, new motors, battery storage. Let's see. What I'm going to do is push this in. I think I burned its motor out. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.